Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X3 GT and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom, almost very bottom, to find additional settings. Then let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. And as you can see in this Android version, the changing of the language is relatively easy because you will be simply transferred to this list of available languages, and all you have to do is to find yours and tap on it. So let me pick Turkish, and as you can see, after tapping it will be immediately applied. So from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again because I'm not really good at Turkish, English, and it has been set. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.